Hi everyone! Gusto ko na pong batiin ng happy 1 year anniversary ang ating Kikay dito sa White World na isa sa mga hinahangaan ko dahil sa good vibes niya. Napaka good vibes po niya at gustong gusto ko po yung mga sayaw niya at higit sa lahat gustong gusto ko yung karakter po niya. So sa'yo Kikay Kulet, mag-anniversary ka hanggang gusto mo at sana yung YTC mo maraming revenues at sana mag-enjoy ka lang kung ano mga ginagawa mo kasi yun naman ang pinaka-importante sa lahat, yung magi kang masaya sa lahat ng mga ginagawa mo. So, happy 1 year anniversary and continue vlogging and good luck and stay happy sa lahat ng mga gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo at lagi kang mag-iingat at I love you and gustong gusto kita at hinahangaan kita sa lahat ng mga ka-good vibes na ginagawa mo. So, enjoy vlogging and good luck and more power and I love you Kikay and supporter mo ako, fan mo ako.
Hello everyone, and this is Daron FFA. I would like to greet happy first anniversary my Kikay Colette TV, of course, my Sissy Koy. So Sissy Koy, best wishes for your channel, more revenue and more friends in a white world. So just keep on going for being who you are or for being Kikay and Colette. So thank you for being an amazing friend with me, and not only me, I know you have a lot of friends, so they are enjoying for being who you are and for being who truly. So thank you so much for being supportive also to our team, and mega love shout out to all Key Power PUC. So once again, Sissy Koy, happy first anniversary. God bless to your channel and God bless us all.
Hi, bebe ko! Gusto lang kitang batiin ng happy anniversary sa channel mo, Kikay Kulit TV. Gusto ko lang din magpasalamat sa iyo kasi isa ka sa naghikayat sa akin para ipagpatuloy at i-push yung mundo ng YouTube. So, more content pa tayo. Enjoy lang. God bless. Love you.
Hello guys, mayroon lang akong babatiin ngayon sa ang aking idol, no? Yung mentor ng aking pagba-vlog. Siguro siya ang ano sa akin, no? Sa pagpayo niya paano mag-vlog, ganito, tinulungan niya ako. At maraming siyang natulungan, no? Hindi lang ako. Guys, ito binabati ko siya ng 1 year anniversary, no? 1 year anniversary. Si Madam Kikay Kulit TV. Yan guys. Madam, maraming salamat sa mga payo mo. Sa mga pagtulong mo sa akin kung paano ganito gawin mo, ganito. Maraming salamat sa iyo, idol, no? Alam ko marami ka pang natulungan, hindi lang ako. Idol, happy anniversary. Good luck sa pagkuhiti mo. Maraming salamat. Alam kong ano mo yan, goal mo yan. Kaya idol kita. Kaya idol Madam Kikay Kulit TV, happy anniversary. At nandito lang kami mga kaibigan mo. I am support, idol. Kaya ingat kayo palagi dyan. Shout out sa mga OFW pala, idol, mga kasama mo dyan, mga kaibigan mo. Shout out sa iyo, shout out sa mga OFW. Yan idol, ulitin ko, happy anniversary, idol. Go lang idol, nandito lang kami mga kaibigan mo, sumusuporta sa iyo. Kaya go lang. Maraming salamat sa tulong mo. Kaya ngayon hanggang ngayon nandiyan ka pa rin. Kahit minsan lang ako nag-vlog, minsan tinatamad, sabi mo gulang. Kaya maraming salamat sa iyo, idol. Sana balang araw ano lang tayo, no? collab. Yan, idol. Idol, maraming salamat. Peace. Happy anniversary. Ingat kayo dyan, palagi.
Hi everyone, this is Winnie Mercado Johansson from Sweden. Yeah, I would like to greet my Sisi Koy ng happy first anniversary ng iyong YouTube channel. Yippee! Ayan, nagse-celebrate ako ngayon dito sa McDonald's kasi lagi kang nagbumukbang sa McDonald's kaya ayan, naisip kita pag nasa McDo ako. Ayan. Sisi Koy, I'm so happy for you. 1 year na ang iyong YouTube channel. More power to your YouTube channel at sana marami pang mga subscribers to come. Siyempre. At siyempre 1 year ka na. Sigurado merong mga haters, ganyan. Sisi Koy, wag mo silang intindihin, okay? Just be happy and enjoy what you're doing. Yan. Hayaan mo sila kasi, ano rin sila extra viewers, di ba? Extra views pa rin. Kaya, enjoy lang tayo sa ating ginagawa and just have fun. Life is short, minsan lang tayong mabuhay. And, syempre, pag nag-YouTube tayo, ano rin yan, souvenir natin sa ating buhay, di ba? Mga unforgettable memories din yan. Kaya, tuloy-tuloy mo lang yan, Sisi. Andito kami sa'yo, lagi sa likod mo, to support you all the way. Okay? Ingat lagi, and, of course, more funny YouTube vlogs and mga funny videos mo, mga sayaw, yan. Lagi ako natatawa sa'yo Galing-galing mo mag-TikTok. Ayan. Tsaka galing mo rin sumayaw. Ayan. Ingat lagi and more power again to you and may God bless you always. Bye! Love you, bye!
Wow, sana all, Kikay Kulit. Wait lang, Kikay Kulit dito ako. Kikita mo to. Ayan ayan. Parang nasa ako, diskuhan. Dito sa kubo. Diba? Ito, Kikay Kulit, para sa'yo. Para sa 1 year anniversary na ni Kikay Kulit sa YT. Being a monetized channel. Congratulations, sis. Ayan. 1 year ka na, diba? Para sa 1 year anniversary ni Kikay Kulit, being a monetized channel, party tayo, guys. Ayan, happy anniversary si Kikay Kulit. Mahilo kayo dito sa aking disco light. Ayan, party na. Happy anniversary kay Kikay.
Hi guys, ayan, maraming salamat sa mga bumati sa aking happy 1 year anniversary sa aking YouTube channel. Ayan, maraming salamat at mega love shout out Sisi Koy, It's Wanter, ating Lady Sip, Irene Sanwico, Baby Colleen Skillian, at Uncle Ed Onag 37, and Di Flory, at maganda talaga, Chris Miguel Dandin, at si Winnie Mercado, Medallia Vlogs, 5 Angel, at si kapatid Daisuke Capricorn. It's me, Taurus Girl. Ayan, mega love shout out sa inyong lahat, at Sisi Koy Leron P. Ayan, I love you all and God bless, at salamat sa walang sawang suporta sa aking channel at sa mga mahilig nagtutuwad dyan, guys. Mega love shout out, at hindi ko na kayo isa-isahin, guys. I love you all and God bless. Ayan. Bye-bye! See you sa aking next vlog!
take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past.
And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom.